Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be talking about the keyless fob. I encountered an individual the other day at the shopping center, and they were trying to get into their vehicle using a stick or whatever else they had on hand. And I went over to offer some assistance, and I asked them if they had their other fob with them. And they said, well, they actually had the fob that they were trying to get in the vehicle, but the battery was dead in the fob. So I explained to them that they had a key on their fob and they were a little bit confused. So I went ahead and showed them how to get their spare key out of the fob so they could get into the driver's side door. And I just kind of wanted to show that in case you're not sure that you have this. All this will do, it will allow you to get into the vehicle. I'm not sure if it'll actually let you start it, because if it doesn't have a place to put the key and all it has is this type of fob here, this one here you have to put it into the system. And I'm not sure if this one here, this is my wife's van, that it actually has a place to put the key once I take it out. But if you can get into the vehicle, then that's half the battle. So all you have to do is look on your fob and you're going to see this little lever like this right here, a little button type of thing. It's kind of tough to push over, especially if it hasn't been open for some time. So you just kind of push that over, slide that over, and your key will pop out. And that will get you into the vehicle. Once you get into the vehicle, then this part here obviously will plug into the dash, and you can start the vehicle itself. But I was surprised that there's several people out there I had mentioned this to, and they said they were not aware of it as well. So again, look at your fob, and there's a little slide switch here. You just push that to one side, and you can pull that out, and you can get into your vehicle. So while we're at it, I also want to show you, because they weren't sure about how to change the battery. All you have to do on a lot of these, you just have to pry them open. And this one here, I think I've had this one open. Yes, I've had to change the battery on this one once before. Just kind of pull that apart like that, and you will see the battery inside there. It's just a standard battery that you would see in a lot of these fobs. And then you just go ahead, replace the battery, and just snap it together. Make sure that that insulation in that gasket is in there in good shape. And just put it back together like that, and you just snap it back together. Just like that. And you're all set. And then don't forget the most important part, the key. Slide the key in. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this helps you on your fobs. Most all of them, the ones that I've encountered, all have this capability of getting into the vehicle just by pushing over that little lever. So you should be all set. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.